Mastering the who in past perfect tense. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to tackle an interesting topic, using the question word who in the past perfect tense. As we dive into this, remember, the goal is to help you communicate more effectively and confidently in English. So, let's get started. The past perfect tense is used to talk about something that happened before another action in the past. It's formed with had plus past participle. For example, I had eaten dinner when she called. Who is a question word used to ask about people. When we combine who with the past perfect tense, we create questions about someone who did something before another past event. For example, who had left when you arrived? In English, we generally place the question word at the beginning of the sentence. So, when using who in the past perfect tense, the structure will be who plus had plus past participle plus rest of the question. Let's look at some examples. Who had arrived when the meeting started? Who had finished the project before the deadline? When you answer questions using who in the past perfect tense, you typically respond with the subject, the person who did the action. You don't need to use who in the answer. Here are some answers to our previous examples. James had arrived when the meeting started. The marketing team had finished the project before the deadline. To truly grasp this concept, practice is key. Try creating your own questions using who in the past perfect tense. Practice answering them too. This will not only help you understand the structure but also help you gain confidence in using it. And there we have it. Using who in the past perfect tense might seem tricky, but with practice, it becomes second nature. Remember, the more you practice, the better you'll get. We hope this video has been helpful, and as always, happy learning. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more English language learning tips. See you in the next video.